What if the key to restoring your memory was hidden inside your own mind? Dr. Joseph Murphy, in his world-famous book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, shares a powerful story that proves just how life-changing the power of autosuggestion can be. A 75-year-old woman had fallen into the habit of telling herself, "I am losing my memory." Day after day, she repeated this statement until it became her reality. Her subconscious mind accepted it as truth and began manifesting memory loss in her daily life. Her words became a silent command to her deeper mind, and her subconscious obeyed, making her forgetful and confused. But then, she discovered the principle of autosuggestion. She reversed her mental habit and began affirming every day, several times a day, "My memory from today on is improving in every department. I shall always remember whatever I need to know at every moment of time and point of space. My mind is becoming clearer and sharper every day. My memory is better than it has ever been before." She practiced this faithfully. Every day, morning and night, she impressed her subconscious mind with a new belief system, one of confidence, clarity, and perfect recall. Within just 3 weeks, her memory returned to normal. In fact, it became even sharper than before. Her subconscious mind accepted the positive suggestion, and it manifested in her reality. This story is more than just an inspiring tale. It is proof of the tremendous power of autosuggestion. What you consistently impress upon your subconscious mind will shape your life, whether it is words of health, success, joy, or failure and weakness. Your subconscious takes it literally and delivers it. Dr. Joseph Murphy reminds us, never give your subconscious negative commands. It doesn't know the difference between what you want and what you don't want. It simply accepts your words and acts on them. So speak to yourself with positivity, with faith, and with expectancy, because the treasure house of your subconscious mind is always listening. Think about it. How many times have you said things like, "I can't do this, I always forget," or "I'm too old for that"? Every one of those statements plants a seed in your subconscious, and eventually it grows into your reality. The lesson from this 75-year-old woman is clear. If negative suggestions can weaken your life, positive ones can completely transform it. So the next time you catch yourself making a negative statement, stop. Reverse it immediately. Replace it with a positive affirmation. Say to yourself, "I am capable. I am healthy. I am strong. I remember everything I need to. My life is improving every day." Repeat it with conviction and let your subconscious go to work for you. Your words are powerful. Your thoughts are seeds. Plant only those that you want to harvest, because your subconscious mind will always take you at your word and deliver exactly what you impress upon it. Thank you for watching. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe to Cosmic Energy for more life-changing stories from Dr. Joseph Murphy's The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Together, let's unlock the hidden power within the subconscious mind and create a life full of abundance, joy, and success.